Hello, my name is Mustafa, and I'm with TDS. In this video, I'll be demonstrating our Navisworks import plugin that makes it easy to bring in properties from Excel. With this tool, you can choose to add new properties, replace existing ones, or merge updates. The properties are fully embedded into the model, so once you save the file, the properties travel with it, and can be shared without relying on connectors. Here we have our NWD file open in Navisworks 2025. Let's start by exploring some of the components we'll be working with. For example, if we look at the equipment item D1201, we can see that it currently has only two property panes. Both of these come directly from the model itself and are not custom defined. Within them, there are a few built-in properties, but nothing additional. It's also important to note that the name shown in the item pane is what we'll use later to identify this component in the Excel file. Now let's check a few other items, such as C1101 and E1301. Just like D1201, they also have no more than the two default property panes. This gives us a clear starting point before we begin adding custom properties through the plugin. Next, let's look at one of the Excel files we'll be working with. This file will be used to import and replace any current user-defined properties in the model. It has two sheets, one for equipment and one for pipes. We'll start with the equipment sheet. The first column is called Name. This must match the name shown in the item pane in Navisworks. The second column is called Category. This is what the custom pane will be called inside Navisworks. The rest of the columns, like Planned Install Start, Planned Install Finish, and so on, are the properties we want to add. As an example, let's look at the first row after the headers. The item name is D1201. Its property pane will be called Work Package A, and it will include 7 properties, which I have highlighted here. The next row is also for D1201, but this time the category is Work Package B. That means a second pane will be created, with the same 7 properties but using the values from this row. So in total, D1201 will end up with 2 property panes. Now let's check the second sheet, which is for pipes. This one has a different list of items. Each pipe here only has one category. For example, the first row after the headers shows pipe 100B1. Its property pane will be Work Package A, and it will include 5 properties along with it. Now let's move back to Navisworks. We will open our custom plugin in the TDS Data Tools ribbon called Import. Here we see a file location box, which points to the Excel file we want to import. Below that, we have 2 main buttons, Merge Properties and Replace Properties. These buttons allow us to bring in custom properties as new panes inside Navisworks. The Merge Properties option keeps any properties that are already there and simply adds to them. If a category already exists, it will be updated with the new values from Excel. And if it's a completely new category, the plugin will create a new pane for it. Remember that when we say category, we mean the user-defined property tab inside Navisworks. The Replace Properties option, on the other hand, will add everything fresh by replacing any current user-defined properties with the new ones we are importing. Now let's use the Replace Properties feature. We will select the Excel file we just looked at. Then we will click Replace Properties. This shows us a dialog confirming that the import is complete, and also pointing us to the log file in case any items were not matched. Next, let's look at one of the piping components from our sheet, item 100B1. We can see that Work Package A has been imported, with the 5 properties we saw in the Excel file. Similarly, the other pipes also have their new property pane. If we take a quick look at the equipment, let's check item D1201. We see that both Work Package A and Work Package B have been imported, each with their 7 properties. We can also confirm that C1101 has its data imported as well. So, it really is this simple to bring external data directly into Navisworks using the plugin. Now let's try changing some of the properties in Excel that we previously imported, and then see how those updates appear inside Navisworks. First, we'll change the categories for some of the equipment. This means the new property panes will now be called something different. Next, we'll also update a few values in the sensors installed column, just to show that property values do in fact get refreshed. Once we've made the changes, we'll save the Excel file. Back in Navisworks, since the same Excel file is already selected in the plugin, we can simply click Replace Properties. Now, looking at Equipment D1201, we can see that the old Work Package A and Work Package B panes have been removed, and new panes called Work Package F and Work Package G have been added. The sensors installed values have also been updated in both panes. We can also see the same for the other equipment items we changed, like C1101 and E1301. Their property tabs have been updated as well with the new categories and values. Now let's go back to Excel and open another file. We'll use this one to demonstrate the Merge Properties feature. This file is simpler than the previous one. It only has a single sheet, and it contains 3 items. In this sheet, we can see a new category called Work Package C, which represents a new user-defined property tab in Navisworks. For each of the 3 items, there are 7 properties listed that will be added when we import. Now we'll go back to Navisworks and use our plugin with the new Excel file. We select the file, and then click on Merge Properties. Remember, Merge keeps the existing user-defined properties and simply adds the new ones on top, instead of replacing them. Next, let's check Equipment D1201. We can see that Work Package C has been added as a new property tab, with the 7 properties from the Excel file. The same is true for the other 2 items, C1101 and E1301, which also have the new Work Package C added with their properties. We'll now go back to the most recent Excel file, the one with a single sheet and 3 items. This time we'll keep the category the same, Work Package C. However, we'll change the status column for all 3 items from not started to abandoned. The reason for doing this is to demonstrate how the Merge Properties feature works. It doesn't get rid of any existing property panes. Instead, it simply updates values if they've changed, or appends new ones if needed. We go back to Navisworks and reselect the Excel file that we were just working on. Next, we click on Merge Properties. As before, a message box appears letting us know the import is complete. After clicking OK, let's navigate to item D1201. Under the Work Package C pane, we can now see that the status value has changed from not started to abandoned. At the same time, the other 2 work packages we added earlier, F and G, are still present. The status has also been updated for the other 2 items, C1101 and E1301. This shows how Merge can be used to update values without removing any of the existing properties already in the model. This brings us to the end of our walkthrough of the TDS Navisworks import plugin. We've seen how to bring properties in directly from Excel, whether by replacing existing ones or merging new updates. All of these properties are embedded in the NWD file, making the model easy to share and use without relying on any external connectors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may benefit. Thanks for watching.